this video, I'm going to show you how to create t-shirt designs using Artistly 5.0. So I'm in my actual account here. So what you need to do is you go to Create Designs, then you go into Fast AI Image Designer, and there's two ways of creating t-shirt designs in Artistly. The first way is, if you use this here, you can actually, if we scroll down, there's lots of different prompts here. So 9 pages worth of different prompt ideas. So say, for instance, as an example, you can just click on here like this, and then you can adjust the prompt to how you want it. You can actually use AI to change the cat or the dog, or change the background, etc. So it will automatically change the prompt for you. So what I've actually done is I've gone over to, if you go over to, I use ChatGPT as well, and I've got a subscription for that, but I also use Mistral Chat, which is really good as well. So if you just type this into Google, you go to Le Chat, it's a French large language model, and what I've done is I've always, to save time, I've already come in here as well, and I've put a prompt myself into it, and basically I've put, please search the web for 5 trending t-shirt ideas, then please create 5 detailed image prompts for each idea that can be used in any image generator to create great images I can sell on t-shirts. Make the idea unique with the possibility of going viral. So I've already typed this in, and this is the results that we've got. So based on the search results, here are 5 trending t-shirt ideas along with detailed image prompts for each idea. So we've got vintage retro designs, we've got bold typography, we've got floral elements, we've got techwear and futuristic designs, we've got superheroes and comic inspired design. So what I'll do is I'll just take the first one from this category here. What I'll do as well is I'm going to put this into a text file, and I'll leave it in the comments so that you can use this as well if you want to. So now I'm going to go back over to Artistly, and I'm going to change this completely and just pop my prompt in. So, a superhero-inspired t-shirt design featuring a bold comic book style illustration of a famous superhero. The design includes bright, vibrant colours, dynamic action poses, a comic book style text. The background is dark, solid colour, allowing the superhero to stand out. So we could actually enhance this prompt by going here, Enhance Prompt, and then you press here and it'll enhance it. We'll do that and see what it comes up with. So it doesn't take long to do this. So as you can see, it's really lengthened the prompt. I won't read it all out again, but it's added, let's have a look. Seems to pulse with otherworldly energy as cape flowing behind him like banner of justice, etc., etc. So there's a lot more to it. You can also, there's a button here called Mirror Magic, sorry. And what you can do is you can, if you find an image that you like on the internet, you can actually copy the image and basically pop it into here, and it will copy the image and give it its interpretation of it. So that's quite handy to use as well. So let's create this t-shirt design. So you've got high quality here, you've got fast, you've got the aspect ratios. So 1:1 is good for t-shirts, or you can use 3:2, etc. 2:3. What I use, I'll just use this one. I'll just keep it as 1:1, and then you can pop it into a folder, which is what I'll do, t-shirts here. And you can have it private, or you can have it so it goes out to the community, because there's a large community on Artistly. But we'll just leave it as private, and you can select up to 4 times. So we'll have 4 different, well, let's do all 4, because it doesn't take long actually in Artistly to create them. So let's generate the image and see what happens. So now it's going to take me over to my images, and just let it do its thing for a couple of seconds. It won't take long. So also, if you get to this where it's saying processing, what you do is you can just come up here and refresh, and it will just refresh it. There we go, look. So, wow, they look quite impressive, don't they? Not too bad. So that's that way of making t-shirts. And there is another way of making t-shirt designs in Artistly as well. So that was using this here. We went to here and used this, and that was for the different prompts. But if we go to here, there's also t-shirt design here as well. So you can click on there, select a category. So as an example, funny, we'll do that. The quantity that you want, up to 10. So we could do all 10 actually, let's do that. So 10 of those, and then who's the audience going to be for? And what it actually goes and does is it goes out onto the internet, and it looks through all trending t-shirt ideas, and it comes back with 10 different ideas that it's going to come back with. So let's keep it simple. So funny, let's do teachers. So that's who the target audience is going to be for. So teachers, generate design. Give it a few seconds again. And what I like about Artistly is it's so quick, and like it's going to generate 10 images now within a matter of seconds, which is fantastic, really. So just do the same thing again. Give it a couple of seconds to do its thing. And then if you're finding it is getting stuck or it's a bit slow, you can just refresh it. So keep calm and teach on. So let's have a look. We'll refresh it and see what we get. Grading is my cardio. My class my class, Class Chaos. I teach what's your superpower, teaching off duty, ask me. So yeah, it's come back within a couple of seconds with some, really good ideas to do with t-shirts. So I'm impressed with that. So anyway, that was just a quick video just to show you how to create t-shirt ideas in Artistly. Thanks for watching.